Not guilty of...
A man jumped over a fence to rescue a drowning child, but the child's parents later sued him for trespassing and demanded $100,000 in damages. Surveillance footage shows that Johnson was walking past the house when he suddenly heard someone screaming. When he looked over, he saw a young girl floating face down in a swimming pool. Johnson immediately rushed over, jumped in, and pulled the girl out of the water. At that moment, the girl was not breathing. Johnson performed CPR on her, and by the time the ambulance arrived, she had already started breathing on her own. Paramedics later said that if Johnson had been even 1 minute later, the girl's life could have been in serious danger. However, after learning what happened, the girl's parents sued Johnson for illegally entering their property. Their attorney argued that Mr. Johnson entered their private residence without permission. He had no legal right to be there. They also stated that their home has a security system and that Johnson triggered the alarm. According to the lawyer, Johnson should have called 911 first instead of taking action himself. They further claimed that Johnson's actions caused their daughter to suffer bruised ribs from the CPR, which resulted in medical expenses. The girl's parents are now demanding $100,000 in compensation for those medical costs. The case is currently still pending in court. If you were the judge, how would you rule? Do you think Johnson should be held responsible?